name is Ahmed Ashrafi. I am an actor and I am an acting and improv also teacher. And I do improvisation and I do scripted acting.
He's very good.
So the shot will be the dark part wherein we have the spotlight illuminating him, and then he catches that. That's the only shot we need for it. We're hoping to finish it before 2 p.m. I mean, we only have 3 scenes. It's not very complicated. Pwede bang may maliit na ilaw para ilawan? Catch it from here, and then second, you catch it like this. Yep. Okay. Dito ka, Job.
Nice.
2.8, 2.8.
That's good.
Do also get up ND filter. Try ND filter. I like dark green. Yes. I like this one. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Can you hold it lower? Lower?
Yeah.
Okay.
More movements, bro.
Twist your body.
Yeah. More movements, like with your body. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Nice, you got that. Alright, we're gonna do it now. We're just gonna... Ready, bro? I will. Nice, okay. In 3, 2, 1, cut. You like that shot? And then, okay, we'll continue with this, with the lights. We're turning on the lights.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, lights.
That was fast.
So wait for my hand, bro, and then lights. Look, and lights.
Yeah, that's okay. I think we got the shot. Yes. Rolling in 3, 2, 1, action. That's a perfect shot. I like that. Okay, we're moving on to the next shot, which is breaking the Dalcona. So that's a wrap for the production for 61 Media. I hope everyone enjoyed the video and hopefully you've learned something out from this shoot. So until next time.